Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is quite different, and as you can see, that's a plate or a tray of AMALA, which is popularly called yam flour in English language. And I'm going to show you guys how I ended up making this sumptuous African meal. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe if you haven't, and please click on the like button and do not forget to drop your comments. Thank you. Alright, so I already sieved the yam flour, and I was actually waiting for the water to get boiled because it's very important that your water must get boiled. Like, you have to see the bubbles, the tiny little bubbles. So that's what I'm trying to wait for here. And now I think I can see it bubbling already. So I had to draw the camera close so that you guys can see what a boiling water looks like. I'm sure a lot of people already know that, don't mind me. Okay, so now you can pour in your yam flour into the hot water. And then it's time to stir. So I had to reduce the heat, okay, so I could get a regular paste. Okay, so now I had to stir through, although the pot was quite hot. I made the handle, so I had to get a napkin for that. So you turn until it's quite even, and you continue like that. The process continues, and you keep adding water just so it can get as soft as you want it to be. All right. It's quite easy, trust me, very easy. Yes, I had to add more water because I wasn't satisfied with the softness. I wanted it to be so fluffy, more like a puff puff. So I had to keep on adding water just to get my desired outcome, and I allowed it to simmer for a while before I continued. So ensure you turn it in whatever pattern you desire. Just make sure that you are turning it so well. And I quite envy those females or people that can actually turn yam flour with both hands. You know how they do it, like they have to put the pot in between their legs and they turn with both hands. I really can't do that, but with this one hand method I do get my so amazing outcome, so I'm not really bothered about that. So I'm trying to show you guys what it looks like already. Yeah, for some people they can actually stop there, just when it's just a bit soft they actually stop, but for me I do not stop until I get that fluffiness. Like, it must come out like the Ibadan kind of AMALA. You know what Ibadan kind of AMALA looks like for those that live in Nigeria, precisely in your states. Okay, so I'm trying to like remove some portion of the yam flour that got attached to the pesto so that everything can look neat. I enjoy doing this a lot. I think I said it in one of my videos. AMALA is my favorite meal. I just enjoy doing it. You can wake me up at 12 a.m. I'm good to go. Like, is that serious? Oh my goodness. So amazing. Although some people say jokingly that if I end up marrying an Ibadan person, that the guy will so much enjoy, because this is actually Ibadan people's favorite meal. One of their favorite meal, I mean. Now you can see the difference now. As in, can you guys feel that? I'm so proud of myself. This is wife material, 1 million yards. Yes, I was done already and I don't want to bore you guys, so it's time to dish the meal. So if you're not ready, it's high time you get your plate though. The meal is already getting served, okay? Alright, so here we have it and we are done. Thank you for watching and bye.